Tired of the hustle and bustle of the city? CIELO Alto is one of the places in Tanay Rizal and is the most suited destination for you. It is the perfect escape from monotonous city life and serves as a perfect destination where you can relish the pleasing sound of the birds chirping and the overlooking mountain range of Sierra Madre. CIELO Alto offers different rooms that are perfect for couple, barkada, and families. They have mini cabin, VIP room, family room, and the famous regular cabin. We rented a VIP room that is good for 4 packs and can accommodate a maximum of 6 packs. It has a queen-sized bunk bed, a television, and its own private bathroom. My favorite spot here, where I spent most of my time, is the gazebo. Good morning! Wow, so cool. Yeah, and we're on the way to the restaurant.
Good morning.
Morning. For brekkie. Let's go.
Ooh, my soul's alive when I get up in the morning, yeah. Still it tells me this one and follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, go. Follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, follow your heart, go.
After we check out, we headed to one of the famous cafes and restaurants in the town of Baras, also in Rizal. It is also famous because of its beautiful pathway that gives Nami Island vibes of South Korea. Mangantila Cafe and Restaurant is located alongside Laguna de Bay and quite far from the main road. They served good quality coffee and delicious Filipino dishes. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I will definitely see you guys in my next video.